So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand history classes root. And now you want to find folder. We're going to scroll down until we find folder. Here it is. You want to click on folder. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in folder. And now once you're on this, you want to double click on default. Now in here, make sure that you have the value data as folder. Make sure that you have a capital F and then lowercase everything else. And then click on OK. So again, next to default, it should be saying folder. And then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now. And then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.